For the last 72 hours, the state government of Andhra Pradesh has subjected all 19 TDP MLAs to house arrest. Police officers visited the residences of these MLAs and other prominent TDP figures during the early hours of Saturday, shortly after the detention of the party's leader and former Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu in Nandyal. Even when Naidu was transported from Nandyal and presented in court on Sunday, his MLAs and other leaders remained confined to their homes. This situation persisted on Monday as well, as the TDP had called for a statewide shutdown in protest against Naidu's arrest and the subsequent 14-day judicial remand. The preventative measures and detention of key leaders proved somewhat effective, as the shutdown on Monday had minimal impact in most parts of the state. TDP MLAs were prohibited from meeting their colleagues or relatives, and police also banned rallies and processions throughout the state. Additional forces were deployed to suppress any protests. Although TDP supporters managed to gather in some areas and attempted to block roads by setting tires on fire, they were swiftly apprehended. On Monday, numerous TDP activists, including women, were arrested in Visakhapatnam, Vizianagaram, Tirupati, Anantapur, Guntur and other locations. In the fresh update, the Andhra Pradesh Police Crime Investigation Department or CID has submitted a request to the court for a 15-day custody of former Chief Minister, who was previously placed under 14 days of judicial custody in a multi-crore scam case. Former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu was arrested in a corruption case early on Saturday morning by the state's Crime Investigation Department. The Deputy Inspector General had told the Telugu Desam Party leader that he was being arrested in connection to the Andhra Pradesh Skill Development Corporation scam. Besides section of the Prevention of Corruption Act, Naidu has been charged under Indian Penal Code sections dealing with the offences of criminal conspiracy, public servant disobeying the law, public servant framing an incorrect document, cheating, forgery, causing disappearance of evidence and offering bribe to public servant.